What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be making my one-of-a-kind, sweet, creamy, and super thick strawberry milkshake. And if you want to know how I do it, then just come on in. So the first thing we're going to need is a 1/4 cup of whole milk. Add that in. Alright. Next we'll add in our strawberries, which are already washed and chopped. So we'll go ahead and add those. Okay. And next we'll add 1 teaspoon of malt powder. Just like that. Alright. And finally we're going to add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Just 1, 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do is blend this together real good. Then we're going to come back and add the ice cream. We're going to need 8 scoops of ice cream. One. So now we're just going to twist the top down on this. We're going to go blend this together and come back and put the finishing touches on this shake. Okay, now we got that blended up real good. We're going to pour this up and then we're going to finish off our shake. That's good. Now we're going to add some whipped cream. And now we're going to add a few sprinkles to it. Don't matter if some drops on the floor. It's just part of the fun. That ought to be good. And lastly, we're going to finish things off by putting the cherry on top and the straw in the side. Just like that. Let's test it out. Oh yeah, not 1 but 2 thumbs up. That strawberry milkshake was so good. And now I need y'all to vote for this channel by liking this video, commenting down below, or subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.